Hi guys, I'm always slightly late after this has turned on to realize and say hello. Anyway, dia there. So now we're going to take a little look at bia. Okay, so bia of course is your food as Gaeilge. So bemid a kind fui bia. We're going to talk all about food in this lesson. So quicker on clog. Tá sin am don loneliness, tá sin am don loneliness, Toga maak the loan. Take out your lunch, it is lunchtime. Toga maak voor musky loan. Take out your lunch boxes. Oskaliki for musky loan. Open. So Toga maak, take out. Oskaliki, open, and it's all of ye, all of the class. Togagi, everyone. Oskaligi, take out and open. Is malum on loan? Na capri. What must you eat? Na capri, your sandwiches. On huis, eating the cheese. On banana, eat the banana on the wall. Oh, faker and farshin, look at that man. Ni malum on banya. Is farlum on su aroista. And then somebody says, all on wadale ishka. But which is which? Figurish. Banya, su roishta, ishka. Banya. Yes, you guessed it. The banya is the milk. Su roishta. Gebra, that is the orange juice. Carisprila su. Ooh. Apple juice on Ceacht. Okay. Ishka. Kaful an ishka. An shan. Havil an ishka. All right, so suroishta, ishka, agus banya gebra. Ooh, Keshtanish on Galin Gudi on Vuntor. Mentor, Tamalon, Creek Naha agum. Creek Naha, Failker on Blota. Do you see any lunch? Niha? Tamalon Galera Inha. All the lunch is gone, so fit. Tom Malone, Creek Naha agum. My lunch is finished. And how do you say I have finished my work? Tá ma aber creek naha agam. I have finished my work. So tá ma lone creek naha agam. Tá ma jug creek naha agam. My drink agus tá ma aber creek naha agam. I have finished my work. And then Darren on Vuantor, teacher says, on will to Quinta. Are you sure? On will to, that's you. Quinta. Are you sure? Agus on Colleen anish a fragrian. Ta me Quinta. So on Keshtarish, the question again. On will to Quinta. Ta me Quinta. Will me Quinta. I'm not sure. August. Nilisagam. I don't know. Radala. Kadata id fuska loan. What? Cad. Anvil are you? Kadata. What is? Kadata. Uit done loan. What do you want for your lunch? Kadata e. Remember, e is in e the your vuska loan. What is in your lunchbox? Ta Ima fosca loan. So you have all of these things in your bosca. So tá yogurt ima fosca loan. Try it after me. Tá yogurt ima fosca loan. Tá aráiste ima fosca loan. Tá aráiste ima fosca loan. Tá banana ima fosca loan. Tá pura ima fosca loan. Tá pura ima fosca loan. Tá úl ima fosca loan. Tá úl ima fosca loan. Agus sinna bhfuil ceacht anna bheogar fad very, very small. So fan go dtí an ceacht scoil and wait for the lesson at school, and then need a kaint le chéile agus ag sugra le chéile ar ríisio gé. So sinna bhfuil sin deire na geachtanis, the end of the lesson now. So, so long go fóill!